Hello and welcome to Life Documented 2021. My name is Michelle Liptak. You might also know me as Mickelnay on Instagram or YouTube. And for my project, I thought I would make some collage papers and fabric to use in an art journal spread. There are so many advantages to creating your own collage papers, and I think the most important thing is that it's just fun. It's fun to pull out papers and scraps of papers and just have some playtime without worrying about what the final outcome is going to be. So it's just basically all free time, all play. And it's also a great warm-up before you do a journal page. And then after all your playtime, you're also rewarded with this library of collage papers that are in the colors and patterns and shapes and textures that call to you or speak to you. So those are some of the things that I really like about creating my own papers, but I will say mine have never been pretty standalone pieces on their own, so don't get caught up in making them pretty because you're going to add more layers on top of them in your artwork. I'm going to set this to music so that I don't just talk on and bore you, but if you have any questions or comments, please ask and I will be sure and get back with you. Would love it if you subscribed and gave me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will check back in at the end just to wrap everything up.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
I've been sitting around in my lonely room,
time's running out of me. Hey, time's running out of me. Yeah, time's running out of me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, you rock me home whenever I hear you call. I'm coming to you, 'cause I just can't get enough of it. I just can't get enough. Feel like I lose my mind whenever I hear you say you're loving it too. 'Cause I just can't get enough of it. Oh no, no, I just can't get enough. Hey, oh yeah. Hey, no, I just can't get enough. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could do the things you do just like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make you come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost too easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could do the things you do just like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are Oh no, why never worked out before? Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah. It's scary sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
So I'm just about done, and one of my favorite things to do, and one of my favorite things about junk journaling is that you typically have two entirely different papers next to each other. So if you do a double spread, you have to try and kind of make them flow, and I love to do that. I like to take bits from each side and then try and incorporate them into one spread. And I really like how, if you do it right, it looks seamless. So that is usually what I'm trying for. I don't always succeed, but that's usually what I'm trying for. I like how it kind of looks like a nighttime lake scene on the left with like the water and then up above the moon. That wasn't intentional, but I kind of like how that, to me, that's what it looks like. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thanks, Life Documented, for having me, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay tuned at the end for some stills. Bye.